All right, welcome to part 2 of building my website in Atom using Emmet, and I'm building this magazine site, Wicked Good News. Okay, and I've got currently the header up with the logo, which is pretty nice. We've got the 3 sections there. What I am going to take out is we want just an about us and a contact us. So I'm going to do the contact us and about us and take out the news because we're just going to have a section that's labeled for news. Okay, so it's simple yet effective. Okay, so the next part that I want to have is a section called recent issues. Okay, and to do that, I'm going to move out of the header. And we're going to go into the main part, and I'm going to hit tab, and I'm going to have a class that's called recent. Hit tab, and in there I'm going to have my 4 recent issues. So I'm going to make 4 different links, and all I do is I'm hitting A and tab with Emmet here. Okay, and then let's see. So now I want to take a look at the files that I have. I look at the PDF. I've got Ellington, Enfield, Summers, and Stafford. Okay, so the links that I want are actually the PDF files. So see if I can copy and just paste that in. That'd be nice. No, it's not going to let me do that. So I'm going to have to type it out. All right, so it's in the PDF folder, and it's called Ellington underscore connection Feb 2019.pdf. We'll just label this Ellington. Actually, we're going to have an image that we're going to use for each of these. All right, so that's the first one, and the image is actually going to be this issue.jpg. So type in IMG and hit tab, and we're going to go into the image folder, and it's issue1.jpg. And we'll say that Ellington, Wicked Good News, February issue. Okay, and then in each of these, I think I each want a div class for each particular item. Okay, and I'm going to call this recent article. Hit tab, and I want to bring each of these in here. Okay, so I'm going to hit Control X here, move that here, Control V. Okay, and then I'm actually going to take these out, and I'm going to copy and paste, and then I'll redo the code a little bit. And the reason I'm doing this is just simply so that I can have a little text under each of these. Okay, and I want to change each of these. So this is going to be Enfield.wgn underscore WGN. This one is going to be Summers Connection. Okay, and then we'll have Stafford underscore WGN. Okay, and then we want to change the alt tag. So this is what, Enfield, then Summers, then Stafford. Okay, and then under these, I want a description, and I'm going to want a quote. We'll do Ellington, February issue. Do a quote here. Enfield, February issue. Do another quote here. We'll do Summers, February issue. Okay. And then let's do another quote here. Hit tab. This is going to be Stafford, February issue. I can spell. Hit Control and save. Let's just see what that's starting to look like. Okay, so need to do some editing here. Okay. All right. Okay, so we also need a header in this div class. So I'm going to type in H2 header, and want to align that in the center. Okay, and then I'm going to say we'll call it Wicked Good News, most recent issues. Control save. Okay. All right, so let's start taking care of this. All right, so we want each of these recent articles to have a width. So type in recent article. We're going to float them left, keep the width at 24%, and let's see what that looks like. Okay, and alrighty, so we kind of want and actually we want the display to be flex, justify the content in the center, and then align the items in the center. Okay, let's try that. It helps a little bit, but let's see. Okay. All right, I want the recent article image to be a width of 90%, height that's auto. Let's see what that looks like. That's going to change some things. It's going to be a little odd. And actually, I may want to change this. I don't want it. I don't believe I want a quote. I think I'm going to change it to a paragraph. So I'm going to say Ellington, February issue. Okay. So retyping. I'll just delete a little. Okay. Because it's trying to put it right next to it. And it's being a little annoying. No, it's not taking care of the problem. Break. Let's try a line break here on all these. Okay, so sometimes you run into these problems. And let's see if that does anything. It's not doing a single thing. Okay. I know why. We want that in recent. Okay, so now it's looking a little odd. And no, actually, let's do that. H2 most recent articles. Let's keep that there. And actually, let's take this out. Actually, bring it back, and we'll do flex direction. Flex direction of a column. Control S. Let's see how that works. Okay, that's getting better with what I want. Okay, and we're going to go back here, and we're going to land this in the center. Control save, and we'll bring it here. And we're going to do something about the font in a moment in the next video. But for right now, we've made the next section the most recent articles, and we may want to link these on the bottom as well. We probably don't need the breaks now that we've done that. So let's take those out quickly, and then I am going to eat my pizza. So I will do that in between now and section 3. Let's just take out these breaks because I don't believe we're going to need them. Now we got that out of the way. Okay, and all right, and there we go. That's looking a lot better. We'll mess with the font on the next one. All right, stay tuned for that.